Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Mesozoic Dawn game crashing or not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, keep stopping, not working, or several other issues on Android phone. So let's go through the methods. The very first thing is to restart your phone once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then select restart. So this will restart your phone. Once your phone restarts, now check if the game is launching or not. If not, next is to force stop the game. So for that, click and hold the game icon, click on app info, click on force stop and then click on OK. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, you should clear the cache of the game. For that, click on storage option, click on clear cache. After that, go back, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, you should check if the game needs any kind of update. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Mesozoic Dawn game, and here you have to check if it needs any kind of update. If yes, update your game to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable, not fluctuating. If you are using Wi-Fi, then move to mobile data or do vice versa, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that, go to settings and after that go to the below section, click on system update, and here you have to check if there is any update available for your phone OS. If yes, update your phone OS to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. If you still face the same issue, then you can install a VPN app to access the game. For that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps. Install any one of it, log into it, change the location, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, click and hold the game icon, click on delete icon and then click on uninstall. After that, go to Google Play Store. In the search option, search for Mesozoic Dawn game and finally click on the install option. So by this way you can easily fix the issue you are coming across while playing the game on your Android phone. So that's all from in this video. Thank you.